see your fifth program, which is on function pointers. So any idea? Do you remember what is function pointer? We had seen in first chapter, function pointer and pointer to function. What is the difference? Function pointer means there is one pointer pointing to the function. Okay. So what we'll do, instead of directly calling the function by its name, we will use a pointer and then try to point to the full block. Okay. One pointer will be there, one function will be there. We will point that pointer to that function and call that function via pointer. So again, so this is the program. Write a C program to illustrate use of function pointer. So it is nothing but pointer to a function. Functions are small block of program which are written so that there will be easy to debug, and if again and again we are calling the same function, it will be helpful. So we will write here again same standard input output, this we will write, then conio dot h. Okay, then what we are doing is we are using a function. So what is the function name? Add. Okay, so add, it will return the answer in integer. So int add, two parameters are there, int a and int b. Okay, addition of two numbers. So C is to store the answer. So C is equal to a plus b, return C is there. So next is void main. Main I'll write a, b and result. Int star p. Okay, int comma int. Then this is how I declare the function pointer. Okay. So what I'll do, I will what is that? What is the return type of this add function? Same thing I have to write. What is the return type? Int. Okay. So what, apart from that, if I want to have a pointer to it, instead of add, I will write star something, star p, star p1, star p2, but put the bracket here. Okay. And then two parameters, which are those int, int. Then p is a function pointer, add is a function. Okay. So what I will do is, I will just make the add block. There will be add block, no? So for the first address, I have to take the p and point it. Then I will clear the screen. Okay. Then what I can do is, I will, sorry. So what I will do is, printer, I will enter the value of a and b. Then I will scanf as usual a and b. But instead of calling via add a comma b, I'll use a result equal to, I will call the pointer function, okay, a and b, then I'll print that. Okay, let's execute and see this. I'll execute this program and show you. You're able to see, right? Turbo C?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your fifth program, that is to execute a program using function pointers. So what will be the input for this? Can anyone tell? So first we'll compile it. So there are no errors, same program I have written. Then run it. So what I have to give input? Any two numbers? Say two. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Can anyone tell? Yes? What will be the addition of these two? It will be 67. So same thing we have done using function pointer. Any doubts you have in this? Yes? Any doubts you have? Do you have any doubts?